Hi! Welcome to Life to Legend. If you're an artist, you're in the right place, both as a hobbyist and a professional. On this channel you will find things like time-lapse drawings from me or some other artists, overpaints, tutorials, duo drawings where I'll be drawing with someone else, interviews, art talks, and more. Our focus will be mostly around creativity in every sense of the word and, well, the business side of things, something I think isn't discussed enough, so that's something we're gonna cover here. We also have some social media channels, namely Discord and Facebook, and we have a website which includes a bunch of blog posts on all these topics, freebies, tutorials, prompt generators of creature and character designs, and a lot more. Feel free to join us here by subscribing to our channel, or join us on one of our other social media channels or the website. Thank you for the time. Have a lovely day and keep drawing.